we not only get this stuck in our head, but like you said, on a cellular level in our bodies. That's why I've seen people talk it through, release it, and they still got that stiff neck, or they still have that knot in their stomach, or they still have, because it's still living in their bodies. And somehow, we have every cell has DNA, and every cell and all the DNA has memory. So everything that happens to us, we carry in a more holistic way in the emotional body, the physical body, the mental body, and the spiritual body. So it actually can even need to be released in the spiritual body with depression and where we're disconnected from source.
Yeah.
So at SpiritQuest, we work on the mind, body, spirit, and releasing it in all aspects of our being. But the physical part is the part that a lot of people, they get those other parts, the emotion. Yeah, I got to let go of the emotion. And spiritual, yeah, I got to be in touch there. And mental, yeah, I got to let it go there. But the physical, yes, the physical. Your body, if you listen to your body, it will tell you so much. It will tell you just as much as your mind's going to tell you. It will tell you, no, don't go there. It will tell you, yes, this is the path to take. So we need to learn to tune into our bodies and not just our minds, and to move. And that's the thing in the day of computers and all of that, being so stagnant and not interacting with nature and,